Hello family, welcome to another episode. I hope you have watched the last episode we posted where my brother came to help us to do banana and watermelon smoothies. This is another set of smoothies my brother is here with me to show you. And if you have not watched the old one, just go and watch it, subscribe and try it at home. And my brother is here with me again to take us through another smoothies. So Yobal, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
So what do you have for us today?
Today we have a pawpaw-based smoothie.
Okay.
Yes, so our smoothie is going to have the pawpaw feel, the taste of pawpaw.
Okay.
That's still with banana, apple, and pear in there.
Okay.
Yes.
So why is it called pawpaw-based smoothies?
Yes, because we're going to have a lot more of pawpaw in there. Yes. So it will give you the flavor, the pawpaw flavor.
What benefit do we get from this particular smoothies? Because I can see that the date is there,
Yes.
your apple, and then banana, and then the pawpaw.
Okay. So you realize that I had the banana in the past smoothie, but then I have it here again. Okay. Now my smoothies are basically always nutritional. That means they are high in nutritional value.
Okay.
Two, they give a lot of energy. So even my brand, what I sell, smoothies I sell, is called Your Energizer. Basically your Energizer, but Your Energizer.
Okay.
Gives energy, a lot of energy. So it means if you for those that are fasting especially, you lose a lot of energy during the day. So you break your fast with something like this, you gain so much of that energy back. The pawpaw is fully packed with energy in there. It helps break down food too. It helps your heart too with the seeds. That's those that can manage the seeds. Now why I have the dates in this particular episode is that if you add the seed to blend, pawpaw seeds don't have an insignificant taste like the watermelon seeds. Okay. Pawpaw seeds are a bit bitter. Okay. Yeah, so that's why I have the sweetness here. These are dates, so you blend the dates and add as much as you want to give you a good taste.
So why you don't add sugar and you are adding the date?
Okay. So like I said initially, I'm a fitness freak. I like fitness. So I basically try to make sure that some of these things that work against our body or can cause us diseases in the future are out of our way. Okay. So basically, I have the natural sweetness. That's the Dobino as in the Bani, but dates in English. Yes, they are very good, healthy sugars. We have two types of dates basically. We have the hard one, we have the soft one. Yes. The hard one, you would have to soak it a while so that it becomes easy for your blender to. Yes, and this, unfortunately, these dates we have here are a bit hard, so they take some time to soften. So because of that, I wouldn't necessarily put the seeds of the pawpaw in this smoothie. You have to make sure that at least whatever you are mixing together, putting together, blending together, should not be so packed with too much glucose or let's say calories. Okay, next we cut apple. Add some bananas. You should note that banana is not bad. So we are done cutting our fruits. Now in this smoothie, for this smoothie, we will have to add some water.
Why will you add water on this one?
So basically we have three different thickness. Okay. We have the pawpaw. With pawpaw, if you blend pawpaw and you even put a little water or something just to make it liquid and leave it for even like 2-3 minutes, it gets thick. It looks like the water evaporates, but it's a thickener, that's how it is. Same with the pear and then avocado. We like calling this pear, but it's avocado. And then banana. These are all thickness. Okay. So we need to add some water in there. Fortunately for us, because of the kind of flavor this pawpaw has, the water wouldn't take away the quality of taste.
So do you have the quantity of water you put or?
Okay, so basically it depends on the quantity of fruit we are using here. Okay. You also have to use your own discretion when you're doing it. You look at the amount of pawpaw. Since we're going to be using a lot of pawpaw in this, you look at the amount of pawpaw you're using and how the thickness you want it to have. So starting, usually, because like I said, because you always want the blender to work very efficiently, you put your water in first. Okay. Or if it was like someone that likes milk, put almond milk. And there's another thing you can always use, coconut water. Okay. That one's also great, very great. Yes. So we get some water. Pour the water in for me. Add our pawpaw.
So why are you adding the pawpaw first?
It's softer to blend.
Okay.
Yes. softer to blend. I could also put the banana, you know, but the pawpaw is soft to blend. And since we are doing a pawpaw-based smoothie, we are definitely going to have more pawpaw for you.
Okay.
Yes. And a caution to our viewers: if you use a lot of pear, you're going to see the oil. You know, pear has oil. Yeah. So you use a lot of pear. At a point, when you're blending, or even if you finish and you put it down, you see the oil would come on top. And I don't think anybody will want to have visible oil on their smoothies. Okay. Yeah, so you just use a little bit, something that we just give it. Banana, I mean, you can always use as much as you want. Okay. And then we add our almighty immune booster, the raw phages, fiber, apple. Okay, so I think this is enough. I would have to add a little bit more water. Okay, pour. Thank you. Just press it down a bit. We blend. Realize this, even with the water we kept, it's still thick. So depending on how thick you want it. Okay. So we can add a little bit of water so that we can easily pour. That's okay. Okay, so we have our pawpaw-based smoothie ready. Here we are with our pawpaw-based smoothie. Chef can do us the honors again by doing the serving and tasting.
So you add some ice.
So basically, these smoothies are very great for breaking your fast because they contain soluble fibers. They contain energy, a whole lot of energy, calories in them, and they also contain immune boosters to boost your immune system and your metabolism too. You need food that would easily digest into your system. You understand? You need something that doesn't need so much from your body to break down, and these are smoothies. If you go and take something like fufu, your body would need to work harder to break fufu down. It's basically for everyone, not just during the Ramadan period. I said I'm a fitness enthusiast. I do the gym a lot, and I need foods like this to break down, to easily break down and get energy. Also for people that are sick, you know, the body is already weak. You cannot be eating heavy food. So you realize that in a hospital, people will say, oh, go and get cocoa for the person, porridge for the person. I mean, these are best. Chef, you do us the honors by tasting and letting viewers know how this smoothie tastes.
Okay. Just going to stir it to make sure that the ice get to all, so that I'll feel the coldness and the delicious taste of the pawpaw-based smoothie. It's nice. So I hope viewers will watch the video and subscribe to the channel and try it at home.
I do these smoothies on a commercial basis. It's called the Yo Energizer smoothies. I make a whole variety of smoothies: watermelon smoothies, banana smoothies, detoxifiers, antioxidants, and all that. Yeah, so I make them. So you can always contact me on the 0247 105639 for your smoothies. The number is 0247 105639. You can also go on my social media handles, Instagram on Yobal, that's y.obal. Don't miss the dot, y.obal. You'll get me there for your smoothies too, and any fitness messages you would need.
Thank you, Yobal, for coming.
Yes.
See you guys in the next video. Thank you.
All right.